Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Progressive Leasing account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in progleasing.com, press enter. Now after that, you'll be led to the official website of Progressive Leasing. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to log into your account, simply click on the login option that you'll be able to see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. All you have to do is enter your email address in order to log in. You can also enter your phone number. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, use your phone number. After that, you'll be able to log in with your phone number. Otherwise, simply enter your email address over here. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address. Make sure to enter the correct email. Now after you enter the email address, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter the correct password and click on the login option and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Progressive Leasing account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.